Hello friends, welcome to this video. Within this video, I will show you how you can create a bootable Mac OS USB drive. So for this, first of all, we need to download the Mac OS installation file, and the currently active version is Mac OS Ventura 13.1. There are different websites where you can download the Mac OS installation file, as I am showing you from Mr. Macintosh website or from the official Apple Store too. After this process is complete, you will have the install assistant.pkg file downloaded within your computer. You have to double click on it to complete the setup of this file. Click on the continue and at last click on the install button. After the installation process is complete, click on the close button. This installation has placed the install Mac OS Ventura file within the application folder, and this is the actual file that we will use. Next thing, we have to prepare a USB drive for the Mac OS installation, and that is the topic of this video. So we have to format the USB drive in the required format. For this, insert the drive within the USB port. Next, let me open the disk utility. A SanDisk USB stick we will use for this process. We need a minimum 16 GB USB drive for this purpose. I have used a 64 GB USB drive because that is the only free drive I have to format at the moment. Overall, you will need a 16 GB USB drive. To view the full hierarchy of the connected devices, click on the View menu and Show All Devices item, or you can follow as like I am showing you within the screen. This way, the full structure will be opened. For full format, pick the top of the SanDisk USB drive and click on the Erase button. Write the name, select the scheme GUID partition map, format Mac OS extended, and finally click on the Erase button. Now, our USB drive formatting process is complete. Next, we have to set up this install Mac OS Ventura file to the USB drive. For this, we have to go to application folder and next right click on the install Mac OS Ventura file and select show package content. A new window will get opened, and from this pick content, then resources, then create install media file. We have to transfer this file to terminal. For this, we need to open terminal window because we are required to write command to create a USB media. Within the terminal window, write sudo and then drag and drop create install media file. We are doing this so we are not required to write a full path. So this is our source and we need the target where we want to transfer the data. For this, writing -- volume and drag and drop our target USB drive. First, within the desktop, if you see your formatted USB drive loaded, then we have to drag from there to the terminal window. Otherwise, if you don't have a USB drive showing within the desktop, click on the Go menu from the header and select Go to Folder option, then write down your path. We have to see all the loaded volumes, so write /volumes and press enter. So it will redirect us to the volumes folder. Here you will have your USB drive, so drag it to the terminal window as the target device for Mac OS installation data. Now our terminal command is complete, so press enter. So it will ask for the password. Enter your computer admin password. Before erasing the data on the USB drive, it will ask for the confirmation. So type Y and press enter key. It will erase the disk as you are seeing within your screen. After erasing the disk, it will start making a disk bootable process, and this will take enough time and it will be based on your bootable media speed. For me, it take around 15 minutes to complete the process, data copying to disk, and you are seeing the process. Let me speed up this process and meet at the completion time. At last, the process is 100% completed and it is written in front of us. Install media now available at our bootable media. This kind of structure is created after the bootable media creation process is completed. Now we have to restart the system to test our created Mac OS installation media. Hold the option key of your keyboard when the system is starting, so it will show all the available connected devices. Here you have our created install Mac OS Ventura device. So congratulations, our process is completed successfully. I hope you learned something from this video. So you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye.